Here's another area that I kind of change up every year. This is a sedum that stays, comes back every year. I'm so bad, I forget what this is called. Obviously, it's a kind of succulent, but it's not. I'm going to try to take some cuttings and winter it over, see how I do. But maybe it's in the ice plant family because it's got these. I'll have to look it up. Definitely know it's succulent because of the fleshy leaves. But of course, succulent is a big category. And then I have these stones that remind me of mushrooms. I have to have those every year. Sorry about the shaking. Going for a real bold geranium and a coleus. I was hoping that coleus would really fill this back area. Maybe I'll hit it more with some fertilizer. Over here is a project. I'm gonna put this barrier so that these epimediums don't encroach on this area, because the epimediums are very vigorous once they get going. So anyway, this is what to do with an old bird bath that leaks its cement. I do have real bird baths that actually have water in them. I hope you can see this okay. I could even add some rocks on the other side, some shells. To me, more is always better than less. Happy gardening.